Welcome to TradeWave Tuesday, just this time on Thursday. I was a little under the weather the last few days, so my voice didn't work. But in that time, we've actually moved the entire portfolio into cash just because things got triggered out. So we're up a few percent already on the actual portfolio. Again, very systematic, not spending a lot of time, no more than these videos are 10 minutes once a week in management and in trading. So to make a few percent on that is fantastic. So I just entered this SSNC, which is a hedge fund accounting type firm. And the reason for it is you can see it's right here, number 3 on the TradeWave scanner. So you can see a buy ticket came in today as it gapped up over this range. Put in a buy ticket as it's looking to push higher on 1.25 times normal volume. So very simple trade. Looking to see if I can get involved here and then to see if this can move up potentially 2 highs here and then maybe through highs as well, right? If we zoom out all the way to like a monthly chart, you can see this has been a incredibly strong name for a long period of time. So if it can get through these highs right here, the highs back here like 85 or something to that respect. So through that, 84, 85. So $85 way back here. So to and through that would be a nice little percentage gain on this. I took the normal $20,000 position on it, right? 1/5 of the portfolio that we're playing with. And again, we know that will be right a little less than half the time, but every now and then we'll get a move like we got in JD, where we made multiple percentage, and that makes up for all the little losers and all the little gains and commissions and all that kind of nonsense. So again, if you are not interested, if you have not tried Trade Ideas yet and you're interested in doing so, check out the link in the description below.